Hey, what's up guys, YBHunted here, and welcome to another episode of Adventures in DayZ. This is another Wasteland one. I'm just going to let you guys listen to the in-game commentary because I was recording my voice live. I was playing with Zach, and he wasn't recording his voice, so maybe you'll be able to hear him in the background, maybe not. Basically, we were in a helicopter, and we got chased down by an Osprey gunner, so enjoy and see what happens. Alright, so let's come over here. We are flying extremely fast.
Can I switch to the other gun?
While you're in here? Yeah, I think so. I was about to say that because if you run out of ammo on one, you might be able to use the other.
It says one option is to crew chief seat.
Oh, no, then. Crew chief is just,
Maybe I can go from here to the crew chief to the other gun.
give it a shot.
I mean, I'm not out of ammo.
Oh, shit, we gotta go. Oh, my God. This fucking Osprey gunner just came flying right by us. Oh, and there's a helicopter in front of us. Oh, my gosh. Right above us. I don't know where they're going. Oh, the Osprey's right on us. Alright, I'm gonna fly low. Alright. God, he's right behind us. I gotta swoop under him. You see? Go into third person. You see it? Right in front of us to the left. He's behind us now. Big fucking plane right behind us, yo. What? Right here.
Oh shit, I mean you see him. Oh, I see him now.
Okay, I'm sweeping it low. It's right behind us. Dive, 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 dive.
I had to get shot for like a second.
For real, this isn't good. Where's he now? Remember, you gotta shoot in front of him. Good shit. Let's take this motherfucker out then.
Try.
Where is he? There he is. Get him, get him.
He's on fire.
Good shit, Zach. Alright, get him again. I'm bringing him up on the right side. Right there. Now we're chasing him. Fuck this. He's faster than us. Hold on. I gotta try and catch up to him.
He's smoking those shit.
Yeah, I see him.
What?
Let's go, Zach. Go ahead, Zach. Oh, there he is. He just blew up. You see him?
Did he?
Off in the distance.
Oh god. Did he die?
Yes. Good shit, Zach. You see the explosion right here?
Yeah. Good lord. How you feel? How you feel? Shoot you in the body. Oh. I'm gonna type it, then I'm not gonna type. I had mentioned I'll do it. Sadly, on the Osprey, I shot by hell. You already know.
Holy shit, I was in that hell.
Thanks for checking out the video. Be sure to check out the video showcase of the day, subscribe in the top right corner if you haven't yet, and follow me on Twitter, the link's in the description below.